And now, ASAP Science presents the elements of the periodic table.
There's hydrogen and helium, then lithium, beryllium, boron, carbon everywhere, nitrogen all through the air with oxygen so you can breathe, and fluorine for your pretty teeth, neon to light up the sign, sodium for salty times,
magnesium,
aluminium, silicon,
phosphorus,
then sulfur, chlorine, and argon,
potassium,
and calcium so you'll grow strong,
scandium,
titanium, vanadium, and chromium, and manganese. This is the periodic table, no gas is stable. Halogens and alkali react aggressively. Each period will see new outer shells while electrons are added, moving to the right. Iron is the 26th, and cobalt, nickel coins you get. Copper, zinc, and gallium, germanium, and arsenic. Selenium and bromine film, while krypton helps light up your room. Rubidium and strontium, then yttrium, zirconium,
niobium,
molybdenum, technetium,
ruthenium,
rhodium, palladium,
silverware,
then cadmium and indium,
tin cans,
antimony, then tellurium, and iodine, and xenon, and then cesium, and barium is 56, and this is where the table splits, where lanthanides have just begun. Lanthanum, cerium, and praseodymium. Neodymium's next to promethium, then 62. Samarium, europium, gadolinium, and terbium, dysprosium, holmium, erbium, thulium, ytterbium, lutetium. Hafnium, tantalum, tungsten, then we're on to rhenium, osmium, and iridium, platinum, gold to make you rich till you grow old, mercury to tell you when it's really cold, thallium, and lead, then bismuth for your tummy,
polonium,
astatine would not be yummy,
radon,
francium will last a little time,
radium,
then actinize at 89. This is the periodic table, noble gas is stable, halogens and alkali react aggressively. Each period will see new outer shells while electrons are to the right. Actinium, thorium, protactinium, uranium, neptunium, plutonium, americium, curium, berkelium, californium, isonium, fermium, and olivium, nobelium, lawrencium, rutherfordium, wm, spherium, boreum, hesium, pneumatium, dubsinium, mercenium, copernicium, nihonium, flerovium, moscovium, livermorium, tennessine, and organesson, and then we're done.
And now, ASAP Science presents the elements of the periodic table.
There's hydrogen and helium, then lithium, beryllium, boron, carbon everywhere, nitrogen all through the air with oxygen so you can breathe, and fluorine for your pretty teeth, neon to light up the sign, sodium for salty times,
Magnesium,
aluminium, silicon,
phosphorus,
then sulfur, chlorine, and argon,
potassium,
and calcium so you'll grow strong,
scandium,
titanium, vanadium, and chromium, and manganese. This is the periodic table, noble gas is stable, halogens and alkali react aggressively. Each period will see new outer shells while electrons are added, moving to the right. Iron is the 26th, and cobalt, nickel coins you get. Copper, zinc, and gallium, germanium, and arsenic. Selenium and bromine film, while krypton helps light up your room. Rubidium and strontium, then yttrium, zirconium,
niobium,
molybdenum, technetium,
ruthenium,
rhodium, palladium,
silverware,
then cadmium and indium,
tin cans,
antimony, then tellurium, and iodine, and xenon, and then cesium, and
barium is 56, and this is where the table splits, where lanthanides have just begun. Lanthanum, cerium, and praseodymium. Neodymium's next to promethium, then 62.
Samarium, europium, gadolinium, and terbium, dysprosium, holmium, erbium, thulium, ytterbium, lutetium. Hafnium, tantalum, tungsten, then we're on to rhenium, osmium, and iridium, platinum, gold to make you rich till you grow old, mercury to tell you when it's really cold, thallium, and lead, then bismuth for your tummy,
polonium,
astatine would not be yummy,
radon,
francium will last a little time,
radium,
then actinize at 89. This is the period periodic table, noble gases stable, halogens and alkali react aggressively. Each period will see new outer shells will electrons are to the right. Actinium, thorium, protactinium, uranium, neptunium, plutonium, americium, curium, berkelium, californium, titanium, fermium, indolenium, nobelium, lawrencium, rutherfordium, wm, spherium, borium, hesium, neutnerium, obsidium, mercenium, copernicium, nihonium, flerovium, moscovium, livermorium, tennessine, and organesson. And then we're done.
And now, ASAP Science presents the elements of the periodic table.
There's hydrogen and helium, then lithium, beryllium, boron, carbon everywhere, nitrogen all through the air, oxygen so you can breathe, and fluorine for your pretty teeth, neon to light up the sign, sodium for salty times, magnesium, aluminium, silicon, phosphorus, then sulfur, chlorine, then argon, potassium, and calcium so you'll grow strong, scandium, titanium, vanadium, and chromium, and manganese. This is the periodic table, noble gas is stable, halogens and alkali react aggressively. Each period will see new outer shells of electrons are added, moving to the right. Iron is the 26th, and cobalt, nickel, coins you get. Copper, zinc, and gallium, germanium, and arsenic, selenium, and beryllium. While krypton helps light up your room, rubidium, and strontium, then yttrium, zirconium, niobium, molybdenum, technetium, ruthenium, rhodium, palladium, silverware, then cadmium and indium, tin cans, antimony, then tellurium, and iodine, and xenon, and then cesium, and barium is 56, and this is where the table splits, where lanthanides have just begun. Lanthanum, cerium, and praseodymium. Neodymium's next to promethium, then 62, samarium, europium, gadolinium, and terbium, dysprosium, holmium, erbium, thulium, ytterbium, lutetium, hafnium, tantalum, tungsten, then we're on to rhenium, osmium, and iridium, platinum, gold to make you rich till you grow old, mercury to tell you when it's really cold, thallium, and lead, the bismuth for your tummy, polonium, astatine would not be yummy, radar, and cesium will last a little time, radium, then actinides at 89. This is the periodic table, noble gas is stable, halogens and alkali react aggressively. Each period will see new outer shells of electrons are to the right. Actinium, thorium, protactinium, uranium, neptunium, plutonium, americium, curium, berkelium, californium, titanium, fermium, indolenium, nobelium, lawrencium, rutherfordium, wm, spherium, borium, hesium, neutnerium, obsidium, mercenium, copernicium, nihonium, ferrovium, moscovium, livermorium, tennessine, and organesson. And then we're done.
And now, ASAP Science presents the elements of the periodic table.
There's hydrogen and helium, the lithium, beryllium, boron, carbon everywhere, nitrogen all through the air, oxygen so you can breathe, fluorine for your pretty teeth, neon to light up the sign, sodium for salty times, magnesium, aluminium, silicon, phosphorus, then sulfur, chlorine, then argon, potassium, calcium so you'll grow strong, scandium, titanium, vanadium, chromium, and manganese. This is the periodic table, noble gas is stable, halogens and alkali react aggressively. Each period will see new outer shell of electrons are added, moving to the right. Iron is the 26th, and cobalt, nickel, coins you get. Copper, zinc, and gallium, germanium, and arsenic, selenium, and beryllium. While krypton helps light up your room, rubidium, and strontium, then yttrium, zirconium, niobium, molybdenum, technetium, ruthenium, rhodium, palladium, silverware, then cadmium, and indium, tin cans, antimony, then tellurium, and iodine, and xenon, and then cesium, and barium is 56, and this is where the table splits, where lanthanides have just begun. Lanthanum, cerium, and praseodymium. Neodymium
next to promethium,
and 62 samarium, europium, gadolinium, and terbium, dysprosium, and ergothelium, terbium, lutetium, hafnium, tantalum, cinnamon, turbidium, osmium, and beryllium, platinum, gold to make you rich and roll, mercury to tell you when it's really cold, thallium, and lead music for your tummy, polonium, acetylene, radon, and cesium will last a little time, radium, then actinize at 89. This is the periodic table, now guess it's stable, halogens and alkali reactive recipe. Each period will see new average of the electrons to the right, actinium, thorium, protactinium, uranium, neptunium, deuterium, uranium, curium, beryllium, californium, titanium, gadolinium, beryllium, thorium, californium, uranium, selenium, uranium, potassium, zirconium, flerovium, moscovium, livermorium, tennessine, and organessum, and then we're done.
And now, ASAP Science presents the elements of the periodic table. There's hydrogen and helium, then lithium, beryllium, boron, carbon everywhere, nitrogen all through the air, with oxygen so you can breathe, and fluorine for your breathing, neon to light up the signs, sodium for salty times, magnesium, aluminium, silicon, phosphorus, and sulfur, chlorine, and argon, potassium, calcium, so you'll go strong, scandium, titanium, vanadium, and chromium, and manganese. This is the periodic table, no gas is stable, halogens and alkali react aggressively. Each period will see new average of the electrons are added, moving to the right. Iron is the 26th, and cobalt, nickel, pointed down, copper, zinc, and gallium, germanium, and arsenic, selenium, and rhodium, thermal, krypton, calcite, rubidium, and strontium, and yttrium, zirconium, niobium, molybdenum, technetium, ruthenium, rhodium, palladium, silverware, then cadmium, and indium, zinc, antimony, then tellurium, and iodine, and xenon, and then cesium, and
Barium is 56, and this is where the table splits, where lanthanides have just begun. Lanthanum, cerium, and praseodymium. Neodymium's next to promethium, then 62. Samarium, europium, gadolinium, and terbium, dysprosium, polonium, erbium, helium, terbium, lutetium, hafnium, tantalum, tungsten, and turbidium, osmium, and beryllium, platinum, gold to make you rich till you grow old, mercury to tell you when it's really cold, thallium, and lead music for your tummy, polonium, acetylene, radon, and cesium will last a little time, radium, then actinize at 89. This is the periodic table, no gas is stable, halogens and alkali react aggressively. Each period will see new average of the electrons are to the right, actinium, thorium, protactinium, uranium, neptunium, deuterium, uranium, curium, beryllium, californium, titanium, rubidium, aluminium, beryllium, thorium, rutherfordium, neodymium, boron, cesium, uranium, neptunium, mercurium, potassium, nihonium, flerovium, moscovium, livermorium, tennessine, and organessum, and then we're
Thank you. And now, ASAP Science presents the elements of the periodic table.
There's hydrogen and helium, then lithium, beryllium, boron, carbon everywhere, nitrogen all through the air, with oxygen so you can breathe, and chlorine for your pretty teeth, neon to light up the signs, sodium for salty times, magnesium, aluminium, silicon, phosphorus, then sulfur, chlorine, then argon, potassium, and calcium so you'll grow strong, scandium, titanium, vanadium, and chromium, and manganese. This is the periodic table, noble gas is stable, halogens and alkali react aggressively. Each period will see new outer shells will electrons are added, moving to the right. Iron is the 26th, and cobalt, nickel coins you get. Copper, zinc, and gallium, germanium, and arsenic, selenium, and bromine, thermal, krypton helps light up your room. Rubidium and strontium, then yttrium, zirconium, niobium, molybdenum, technetium, ruthenium, rhodium, palladium, silverware, then cadmium and indium, tin cans, antimony, then tellurium, and iodine, and xenon, and then cesium, and barium is 56, and this is where the table splits, where lanthanides have just begun. Lanthanum, cerium, and praseodymium. Neodymium's next to promethium, then 62. Samarium, europium, gadolinium, and terbium, dysprosium, holmium, erbium, thulium, ytterbium, lutetium. Hafnium, tantalum, tungsten, then we're on to rhenium, osmium, and iridium, platinum, gold to make you rich till you grow old, mercury to tell you when it's really cold, thallium, and lead, the bismuth for your tummy, polonium, astatine would not be yummy, radar, and cesium will last a little time, radium, then actinides at 89. This is the periodic table, noble gas is stable, halogens and alkali react aggressively. Each period will see new outer shells will electrons are to the right. Actinium, thorium, protactinium, uranium, neptunium, plutonium, uranium, curium, berkelium, californium, titanium, fermium, and olivinium, nobelium, lawrencium, rutherfordium, niobium, sprigium, borium, haceum,